This is the Krause and Becker paint sprayer. And when it comes to winter detailing, especially mobile detailing in people's garages, this thing is a must. Here's how I do it. You pre-spray your panels to get the dirt lifted from the surface. This is a nice first step. It's not always necessary if the car is super clean and just dusty, but for most vehicles, especially in the winter, I like to do some kind of pre-treatment.
I'm just going to drop this part.
And then you drop in your paint sprayer into a bucket, and this is your water source. The paint sprayer needs power too, but since I bring a generator with me to jobs, that's really no problem.
Twist this here.
When I first started using this thing, I was really impressed that you can turn a little knob on the top and get a different spray pattern. One spray pattern is a larger fan, gives you a wider spray. The other more direct with a much higher PSI.
And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a rag that's been sitting in my bucket of Optimum No Rinse. I'll wring it out. So this is a very plush microfiber towel that was sitting in my bucket of Optimum No Rinse. Basically squeeze it out until it's kind of dripping, and then I'm just going to go over the panel just like this, flip the sides as I think it's getting dirty, work it toward the bottom, and just like that I've got a pretty clean section of the car. Hit it with a leaf blower, get that excess water out, dry it off, and there you have it.
Anyway, I hope this helps detailers out there and can educate some of my customers too on how I wash vehicles, how I approach winter detailing when I don't have access to a water spigot.